I'm sure you've seen these texting stories on TikTok, but what if I say that there are people who earn more than $10,000 from posting these videos on TikTok? And this is thanks to the TikTok Creativity Program Beta. This program is very similar to the YouTube Partner Program, because the TikTok Creative Program pays $1 for every 1,000 views. The interesting thing here is that you don't even have to show your face to create this kind of content. But here is a problem. The TikTok Creative Program is only available in these 8 countries: US, Brazil, France, Germany, Japan, Korea, and the UK. Luckily, I found a solution to activate this program from any country in the world. So what I will show you today is a tutorial where you will learn how to access the TikTok Creativity Program from any country in the world. I will show you an extremely good niche. I will show you how to create videos for that niche using an AI tool to make those videos go viral on TikTok. And so that you can finally earn thousands of dollars, so that you can finally quit your boring and hard work. My name is Tropy, and first, let me show you how to access the TikTok Creator Program from any country. The method I will show you is extremely easy and is the safest. All you have to do is go to this site. You have the link in the description, and here you have to get an account of it. If you wonder why, it is because this account was created in the US, and for this reason, this account has access to the TikTok Creativity Program, as you can see here. And now let's go to show you how to get such an account from that site. So, after you have accessed the link in the description of this site, here, you have to write like this: one US TikTok account, and click on this offer, and here you will be able to purchase such an account. Now, one important thing, after you have purchased the account, you have to spend some time to warm up the account, so to speak. For this, you have to be active on that account every day, watch videos, like the videos, comment, and repost. We do this so that the TikTok algorithms see that we are not a bot, so that they don't shadow ban us. I also recommend following any instructions on the site where you got your account, so that TikTok doesn't suspect you're not from the US. So I passed the first step of this tutorial. Now I hope you all have figured out how to access the TikTok Creativity Program from any country. But if you didn't understand or you don't like this method, you can view this video of mine where I talk specifically about this and show several methods how you can do it. I'll leave the link to that video in the description. Now we go to the second stage in this tutorial: niche selection. There are hundreds and thousands of niches that we can select from, and here are some of the most popular of them. But I will show you something more interesting, a niche that is now starting to pick up speed. The name of this niche is texting with stories. For example, this TikTok account gets thousands of views from videos that only take 10 minutes to make. And if we look at these videos, we can see that they all have a duration longer than 1 minute. Because for the videos to be monetized, they have to have a duration longer than 1 minute. This means that this account has the TikTok Creativity Program Beta on, and makes thousands of dollars with these videos. I also completed the second stage of this tutorial. So, in conclusion, we already have the TikTok account ready, and the niche is selected. We are going to the third stage, which is the most important and difficult one: creating videos for this niche and how to make them go viral on TikTok. Here, friends, watch and listen carefully so that no difficulties arise. And I hope you appreciate the effort I put in for you, and leave a like on this video and subscribe to this channel. We go further. As always, what we need to do first is the script. And if you're thinking we're going to do this with ChatGPT, not. For these text message stories, we have to do it manually. Here you will have to start your creativity. The reason we don't do this with ChatGPT is that ChatGPT has no sense of humor and can't make jokes. Because that's exactly what we need to make these videos go viral. Because no one will want to listen to a 1-minute conversation unrelated and not funny. To inspire you a little, I created a short conversation between a girl and a boy.
Oh, I can't believe you slept with Amy.
What are you talking about, and who are you?
Stop playing with me. You're so disgusting.
First of all, I don't know any girl named Amy. Second, who the hell are you?
I'm your girlfriend, and I'm on my way to my big brother right now. I promise you'll pay.
As you observed, this conversation was funny and very sentimental in that it makes people who watch until the end. Well, the conversation that I showed you doesn't last more than 10 seconds, but we need our videos to be longer than a minute. And if you have very good creativity, yes, you can make these pictures yourself. But if not, you can. Try to do them with GBT chat, but I don't recommend this. Good. Now that the log is ready, we access the 11 Labs site to create an AI voice for the log. Why 11 Labs? Because he is the best at this. The link is in the description. Here you have to make any special reply. You put a replica, you download it, you put another line and then download it, and so on until all the first person lines are finished. And one important thing, when you download the voice to the device, don't forget to list them because it will be easier for you in the next step. After that, you start with the second person. And one more important thing, when selecting the voice, take into account to match the character. When all the lines are ready for both characters, we move to the part where we make those fake messages with an AI tool. The link to the tool is in the description. And by the way, the site is free. This is what this site looks like. First, let's add the lines. Let's see what we can change here. we can observe that we can change the profile picture. We can change the name. Here we can see that we can add a contact. Below we can change the date and time. And here is the section for adding messages. Here, we can also add messages with images, with video, or even with voice messages. Now that you have set all this data according to your scenario, let's show you how to add a message here. First, you need to click on Add Contact, and put your name on the first staff and the second. Now you have to start putting the lines. You put the first reply in the first person and click this yellow button. After that, you put the reply in the second person and click this green button. And that's what you have to do with the whole scenario. After you have done this, you must take a screenshot of each message. This process I will not show because it takes some time. After all the pictures with messages are ready, we go to the next step. Here we have to go to YouTube and search for Minecraft Parkour or GTA 5 gameplay car. And here we have to find such a video. Let's start recording and record 1 minute of this video. This will be the background of our video. Now that we have all these materials, we need to put them all together to make a video that looks like this. This is the last stage. For this, we will access CapCut. I will do it from a phone because I know that most of you will do the same and orient yourself more easily. Here we will click on New Project and we'll select the gameplay video we grabbed from YouTube. After this, the first step is to click on the aspect ratio and choose the one for TikTok. And now we have to arrange the video to look good. Now what we need to do is add a voice that says a phrase and add the image with that phrase. To add a voice, click on Audio. After the sounds, you will click on this map on the device. And in this box, you have to look for that voice you made on 11 labs. And if you remember, I said that when you save the voices, list them by numbers. Now, here I'll just type one, and our first voice will appear, and I'll add it. Now the next step, adding images. For this, you click on Overlay, and then on Add Overlay. And here, they have to select the image with that message, which is also the voice. Click on it and then add it. When the voice starts, the image must also appear, both at once, and that's how you have to do with everything. That's what my result is so far.
Ugh, I can't believe you slept with Amy.
What are you talking about, and who are you?
Stop playing with me. You're so disgusting.
First of all, I don't know any girl named Amy. Second, who the hell are you?
I'm your girlfriend, and I'm on my way to my big brother right now. I promise you'll pay.
It's still not good, because I haven't added sound effects to the messages. To do this again, click on the audio, and then on Sounds FX. Then, in the search box, you type message notification, and from here choose a sound effect that you like. Now let's look at the final result.
Ugh, I can't believe you slept with Amy.
What are you talking about, and who are you?
Stop playing with me. You're so disgusting.
First of all, I don't know any girl named Amy. Second, who the hell are you?
I'm your girlfriend, and I'm on my way to my big brother right now. I promise you'll pay.
It's perfect. That was the last step in this tutorial. Now you have all the resources and information to start making thousands of dollars with TikTok. Brother, let's be serious. You only have to spend to get that TikTok account, and that's it. The rest is free. Plus, you have my support. If something doesn't work for you, let me know in the comments, and I'll help you. I want to ask you one thing. Please tell me your personal opinion about my videos and why I need to change to make them better. And don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. With you it was me, Shadow Tropy, and see you next Sunday.